Hello, welcome to Just Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see some of the latest features which got introduced in Gemini 2.0 in December 2024. So this is one of the kind of game changer features they're trying to introduce in Gemini 2.0 so that we are going to see. Let's get started. So the first feature we are going to see the multi-modal capability. So Google has introduced as part of 2.0 a multimodal facility which can work with like your text, image, and audio in a native manner. So that includes like generating images, existing images, and working with your localized artwork creation and expressive telling stories the way and where you are currently located and the current language what you are talking autonomously and seamlessly. We can see this feature where it will work with multimodal and it will generate outputs and it will work with the users. So this is one of the major features we can see, the multimodal capabilities. And the next feature we can see the Gemini Flash 2.0 they had introduced, which we can see the performance almost twice the speed compared to the 1.5 Pro model which is already available in the market. So this is one of the game changer process, and we can see the all search results and all seamlessly with more and better performance, like they were telling twice compared to the old 1.5 Pro model. So the next and third is a major, I mean, feature what got introduced, agentic capabilities. So in the sense, so the now 2025 majorly we can see agentic capabilities, the major features in all AI side, which is introducing. So what it's meaning? So the models which will take decision planning and on top of complex task it will take its own decision and it will do its own planning capabilities, such as booking a tickets or planning a vacations based on the schedule you given. It will look for your calendar and it will look for the vacancies or wherever space is available, and accordingly it will take a decision and it will take the next step planning all those things. So this is one of the major capabilities called agentic capabilities, like which will take its own decision. Me to say here what is own decision in the sense here human inputs are very less, but most of the decision make will happen at the agentic model side. So this is one of the great feature which is going to be introduced, and again this is in pilot mode. So all these facilities. So the next and fourth is like a native tool integration. So now, so the way we are working, right? So one model will work with one Google features. Now these models are working with various Google products like Google Maps, such. So they are working together and seamlessly the backend side, and the results it will give to us. So this is one of the major features they have introduced, native tool integration. So in the sense these models will work for all across the Google products like a search, maps in a real-time way, and accordingly with user real-time experience it will work across the Google products and it will send the response to the users back. So this is one of the very good features which we can use it. So the last fifth feature is, so they are going to introduce a developer SDK or Gemini SDK as part of Gemini 2.0. So which will work with GitHub workflows and which will do a lot of things like on the fly bug fixing and to identify the bugs and executing the workflows accordingly. It will suggest the changes whatever. So this Jules tool it will be like a very good for developers in terms of deployment process and in terms of development, and it will work in a real-time coding skills as part of GitHub workflows. It will work along with that many developer tools like SDS it will work. So this is one of the major features as a tools which will work with the developer tools and workflows, which will improve our development capabilities or deployment process. I think these are the five features which was introduced. Again, these all five features are in pilot mode and which got introduced as part of December 2024. So it's available, and but again it's a pilot mode. We can start using it. I think, yeah, I think that's all about all these five features about Gemini 2.0 which got introduced recently, and we can use it out. Okay. And thanks for watching.